In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable 5G on your iPhone. So here we are on our iPhone and we want to open up the Settings app. You can swipe down, search for Settings, or you can just tap into your Settings app here. Once you're there, one of the first sections will have an option that says Cellular. Go ahead and tap into Cellular there, and then go ahead and tap into Cellular Data Options. Once under these options, you'll see something that says Voice and Data. If we tap on Voice and Data, you see that I have mine set on 5G Auto. Now, there are two different options here. 5G Auto lets the iPhone use 5G when it provides a noticeable benefit and switch to LTE when that can save battery life. So again, if you just switch this over to 5G on, you're going to see a very big reduction in battery life, especially for older devices. Now, 5G on is basically 5G whenever it's available and understanding that it will reduce the battery life. So the best option here, if you do want to enable or turn on 5G, is to select 5G Auto. In order to turn this off, you basically just go here and select LTE and you're good to go. I'll have some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment down below. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.